A rectangle has a width that is 3 inches shorter than its length. If the area of the rectangle is 108 square inches, what is the perimeter in inches of the rectangle? At this moment, I encourage you to pause the video and solve it by yourself. Okay, I'll solve it now. If the area of a rectangle is 108 square inches, I'll just write it to myself. Area of the rectangle is 108. Okay, I will draw the rectangle. That's my rectangle. I will call this length. I will call this width. What I know, a rectangle has a width that is 3 inches shorter than its length. So width is equal to length minus 3. I can say now that length has to be more than 3 because width has to be positive as well. Okay, now I know area of a rectangle is 108 and area of a rectangle is just length times width. So length times width will be equal 108. Okay, this is 108. Now I know W width is L minus 3, so I'll just substitute this. So length times width L minus 3, this is equal 108. Okay, now I'll just multiply out bracket L squared minus 3L, this is equal 108. This is a quadratic equation, so when I solve quadratics I want to have equal 0, so L squared minus 108 on both sides, minus 3L minus 108, that will be equal 0. Now quadratic equation, maybe I'll try to solve it by factorizing. So quickly, I'm looking for two numbers. When I times them, I get C, so minus 108, or AC when A is not 1, but here A is 1L squared. So two numbers to get minus 108, and I'm looking for the same two numbers which will make B. B is negative 3 because we have negative 3L. Okay, I'm looking for two numbers. When I times them is negative 108. When I add them is minus 3. So the numbers are, one of them is positive, one of them is negative, and they are far away by 3. So for example, 10 times 7 would be 70, not enough. 11 times 8, 88, not enough. 12 times 9, 90 plus 1808. So I know, and negative. So negative would be 12 times 9, it's negative 108, 90 plus 18, and negative 12 plus 9 would be negative 3. That's why, to factorize that, I will just write L minus 12, that green 12, and L plus 9. That is equal 0. I managed to factorize that quadratics. I quickly check if I didn't make any mistake to multiply out brackets L times L, L squared, plus 9L minus 12L. That's minus 3L. And minus 12 times 9 is minus 108. All correct. So now when I multiply two brackets and I get 0. When? At least one of them has to be 0. So L minus 12 is 0, or L plus 9 is 0. So first one, L is positive 12, L is negative 9. Length, L is length. It has to be positive, so that's, this is a wrong answer. L negative 9, not possible. So L, I know, is 12 inches. Now W, what was W? W was 3 less than L, so W was L minus 3. I will calculate W now. W is equal L minus 3, what we knew before, and L is 12, and so is 12 minus 3, so W is 9 inches. So I know length is 12, width is 9. And in the question I need to calculate perimeter. What is the perimeter in inches of the rectangle? So I will calculate perimeter now. Perimeter, I'll just call it P, maybe like that, P. Perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 lengths plus 2 widths. 2 lengths means 2 times what's length, 12, plus 2 widths, 2 times 9. Okay, so perimeter will be 2 times 12 will be 24, plus 2 times 9, 18, which is equal 42 inches. So the answer is 42. Perimeter is 42. I'm planning to create more videos, so do not forget to like and subscribe.